Realme recently launched a fitness band and now they are moving forward with a smartwatch. From the specs, we can tell you that it's not a full-fledged smartwatch with like SIM support and GPS, but you can still do a lot after pairing your phone with the watch. We got the first glimpse of the watch in Ask Madhav episode. For those who are unaware, these episodes revolve around answering questions regarding Realme's existing products and upcoming plans. Now in that video, we can see the Realme watch that reveals that it has a square-shaped display and a black colored band. Apart from that, it didn't offer anything else on what we could expect from Realme's first smartwatch. The company is yet to share any details on the specs of the Realme watch, but we do have some device renders, device functions, as well as renders or screenshots of how various functions of the watch would look like on your wrist. Thanks to XDA's recognized developer at DeleteScape for sharing all of these. The square display has rounded corners with rather thick bezels. The bottom bezel is particularly thick and also houses the Realme branding. The band does not appear to be changeable, at least from these renders, but we are not so sure about that. When it comes to specs, the display is said to be a 1.4-inch TFT LCD touchscreen display with a resolution of 320x320 pixels. The touchscreen will handle most of the interactions since the watch only has a single button on its right side. The battery inside the watch will be 160 mAh in capacity, which could give you about 7 days of life with 24-hour heart rate monitoring turned on. The watch will come with 5 preloaded watch faces, but it's not clear whether it will support third-party watch faces. Like you would expect from a smartwatch, the Realme watch comes with some basic features like step counting, weather information, heart rate monitoring, notification alerts, alarm, and Find My Phone. Most of these functions will be accessible through the watch UI panes, where each pane will have 4 icons. There's also support for exercise training alongside wellness-oriented features like sedentary reminder, water reminder, and breathing exercises. As far as exercise tracking goes, the watch will have support for 15 different exercises that includes outdoor running, walking, swimming, indoor running, outdoor riding, aerobic capacity, strength training, football, basketball, badminton, table tennis, indoor riding, yoga, elliptical machine, and cricket. So to be frank, it covers like everything. The Realme watch will also have music controls and the ability to use the watch as a remote camera shutter button. And perhaps the greatest selling point of the Realme watch would be its support for Hindi language in addition to English. This is a big deal for a smartwatch that is targeting the Indian market. The launch is unknown along with the price, but we can be sure to see it when the global pandemic is over. Until then, subscribe to our channel for more such interesting videos. See you in the next one. Peace out.